Next to the models page is the design strings page. By default, transport for New South Wales string names are used in the string ID and description shown on this page. The design strings to be included in creating the top of pavement design surface are marked as yes in the third column. The string ID under the string ID column is used to filter the strings. Note that any string not allocated will be treated as a no and used for nulling of strings. There are also string items that are marked as yes by default. Line marking strings are also preset to yes by default. Going back to our tooltip project, let's cut the section through here. We will be needing this edge of shoulder, or ES, set to yes, as this will form part of our design pavement. ES. If ever you have other strings which are not listed in here, you can add them in. Here, put the description, type the string name, then set to yes. Drainage barrier or bridge. Next, going to the pavements page. We are going to populate the pavement pay items here. These items need to exist in the project level BOQ. This is the project level BOQ. First, enter the relevant pay item number. Put in R44. So the description and the unit automatically populated from the project BOQ. Provide the shortened description under the material column. This will be helpful when creating pavement profiles below. Then click this blue button, Add Pay Item. It says that your pay item has been successfully added. Then next, add another one. Then repeat the same process to add all of your pavement pay items. You may edit or delete a pay item as required. The preset number of bridge pavements here is 1. If your project doesn't have a bridge or bridges, then the bridge pavement should be set to 0. In this tutorial, we'll use 2 types of bridge pavements, hence setting this to 2. For the number of road pavements, again, this is preset to 2. If your project has less or more than 2, you can adjust it accordingly. Axesse can handle up to a maximum of 10 road pavement types. Drainage blanket depth, you may put it in here if required. Under bridges, this P01 text above this profile is the generic ID and will form part of the string name of the bridge pavement boundary. We'll discuss it in another video. So the materials shown in the drop-down list are taken from the entered pay items of materials in the table above. Select the material and specify a depth opposite the selected material. NCO5, D, OMC, curing, 50, and then do the rest. Same as how we did it in BO1. Again, if there's a drainage blanket, you'll have to set this to yes. That's it.